Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Product Reviews. Today I'm bringing you another unboxing from Arteza. I think it's Arteza, might be Arteza. Let me know in the comments how you pronounce it. Today we are specifically looking at crafting materials. Now we are just unboxing it and showing you what we bought. We'll be using all of this product in our upcoming lives. Also, don't forget you get 10% off using our links down below in our exclusive coupon code, so check the description for that. First up is the stiff felt fabric sheets. These are 12 by 14. You get 50 sheets in here, guys. Multiple color, full spectrum of vibrant colors ranging from metallic to fluorescent. This is durable, endures cutting, sewing, gluing, folding, iron, washing, and you can use it on different cutting machines like the Silhouette and CRICUT, especially the CRICUT Maker. It's versatile. You can use it with crafts like pillows, puppets, book covers, more, and it has a really good stiffness to it. It's ideal for making 3D figures and clean cut shapes. Unfortunately, some felt on the market is not stiff enough to do certain craft projects. So I do like that this actually has a good stiffness to it so you are able to sew with it. Now, did you know Arteza has HTV? Well, they do, and you can get 22 sheets of assorted colors. This is 10 by 12. It's easy to use, made of flexible PU, allowing you to cut, weed, and peel without the hassle. Durable and long-lasting, practically use it on any fabric and can withstand repeated washing. I've not tested this, but I've heard good things. This sheet can be used with any cutting machine like your CRICUT and Silhouette, and I love that it comes in a box so you don't have bent corners or you're trying to get it out of the roll and it peels up off the mat. You can use it with die cutting machines and of course your cutting machines. Just like HTV, Arteza also has vinyl. I can't even believe it. This self-adhesive vinyl comes in 12 by 12 and you get a set of 42 assorted color sheets. Also in a full spectrum of color for your craft and DIY projects, long lasting and will stay in place until you're ready to remove it. Can be applied to any flat, smooth surface, glass, plastic, ceramic, metal, or walls. You can definitely use this with your CRICUT, your Silhouette, your Brother Scan and Cut. It lays flat, which I love, and it has a grid system on the back. It is removable, so this will not be a permanent vinyl. You want to make sure that you know that. You can use it on ornaments. It is absolutely wonderful. It is a great addition to our craft arsenals. Moving on to the reason I found Arteza, their watercolor paper. Now, you can enjoy twice the number of sheets in one convenient and affordable package. This comes with 32 sheets and you can get a 2-pack for just $21. It is heavyweight paper, cold pressed paper designed to withstand many washes without damage. Each is 100% acid-free sheets and preserves the vibrancy of your artwork, and it's glue bonded. So the pads are made with glue bonded edges to keep creations safe in place so you don't tear the paper. This stuff works great. I use it all the time with my real brush markers. It is my go-to for watercolor. This next item was just something fun to purchase. It's scratch notes and you get 202 of them. This is the rainbow pack. Now, I just loved playing with these, and if you have kids, I can tell you what, they are going to have a ball. You get 202 in here. The patterns include rainbow and space pattern notes. Essentially, they just put a black over the top of it, so simply scratch the 3.5 by 3.5 sheets and let your imagination do the rest. With 2 scratches and 2 sharpeners included, you'll have everything you need to scratch with ease. It is great for all ages. Watches the face of kids and loved ones just light up while you have fun. Once again, this is nothing earth-shattering, but I will say it was kind of fun to play with, and it was really fun to bring this out at a game night to write notes to each other. It's just something really fun and creative, and I can tell you right now, your kids will absolutely love it. These are very fun, and they offer another pack in rainbow and holographic, so check those out as well. I was really excited to see that Arteza offered black scratch paper pads. These are 9 by 12 and offer 30 sheets, and it's a pack of 2. Now, I've not used these yet, but what I've heard people use these are for increased realism and really making colors pop. They're 90-pound, acid-free with a fine-tooth surface ideal for dry media. It's held together by twine wire loop binding that flips all the way back so you're working one piece at a time with ease, and it's acid free, so enjoy colors that will withstand the test of time with paper. So I'm excited to really use these and see how they do. Now, one of my favorite finds so far has been the 48 set of glitter shaker jars. I use these all the time in my Chalk Couture creations because you can sprinkle glitter on top of any of our paste while it's wet and it sticks perfectly. This offers 48 dynamic colors, includes UV, reactive neon, holographic colors, glow in the dark. Control where you put it because it has a very good shaker tap on it. Perfect for DIY projects, scrapbooks, ornaments, decorations, and more. It is certified non-toxic and safe for adults and young little kids, just like Chalk Couture is. So I use this daily and love it. And at $28, it's a great buy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick look. We'll be using all of these in future lives. If you want to purchase anything, make sure to use the links down below with our exclusive coupon code to get 10% off. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.